Do you know the National Science Foundation has predicted that 80% of the job created in the next decade would require some form of math and science skills. We also need more people who could think for themselves, work with others, and apply what they have learned in the real world. This is Harish Srinivasan, co-founder of Infinite Engineers, and I love to design learning experiences for children. Have you heard the buzzword STEM that's being used in most of the learning platforms today? But what is it exactly? STEM is an acronym that stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. It educates students on these four disciplines not as separate subjects like how we would learn in schools, but rather an interdisciplinary and applied approach. It inspires students to meet challenges of today's technology-driven society through innovation, collaboration, and creative problem solving. Would you believe when I say STEM starts from your home? You as parents are your child's first teacher, and you can easily convert your home into a STEM-rich environment. Are you interested to know how to do it? Join the Host Family Editions webinar where I'll be having a conversation with Dr. Kiruthika Ramanathan on how to raise curious learners in a home environment. This will be followed with STEM tasks that you as a family can do it using available materials. What are you waiting for? We already have 100 parents who had signed up for this. You can register by clicking the sign up button or by checking our website ologyhost.org.